Well, this is my video, everyone, for Monday's activity, although I'm sending out Tuesday. I'm in my backyard. I haven't shaved. I get like this. Sometimes I only shave once a week. Today I'm going to get a shave. Got to get my hair colored. I'm going to get myself together. Anyway, we'll discuss yesterday. I had a $10,000 day in 15 minutes. Very interesting. Now, that's from stocks I held overnight from Friday. Now, I hold overnight a lot when I get trapped because I'm not limited on capital. I don't have to cut and take a loss. I can hold the stock. So I do that. And I was holding good stuff, Google, Oracle, major name stuff. But even those things go down. Anyway, to the point, we had a $10,000 Monday in 15 minutes. I turned off, left the office, and I had a $9,000 gain in my TD Ameritrade, and I had a $1,600 gain or something like that. I'll have to check in my Robinhood. Today is Tuesday. We'll see how today goes. I didn't go into the office today. I'm going to the dentist at 2 o'clock. And there's something on my, what is that? Huh? Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm an amateur. What do you want me to do? So there you have it. Now, what I wanted to show you real quickly is notice just some of the charts I put up. I think I put 3 up. What people who don't know about the stock market is how violently up and down stocks move during the day. And only a trader with experience and capital can buy and sell those violent algorithms, intraday movements, highs and lows, whatever you want to call them. But that's an art to itself that I've come accustomed to, and that's what I do. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high, over and over. And these are some stocks. Like Tesla was down 10 points yesterday. That's a lot. I thought it would bounce yesterday. It didn't. And it bounced, and it's in the green this morning, a few points. There's your example. Good companies that go down, I jump in. As they go up, I jump out. But here's the math. Because I have capital, and you need capital to do this, let's just use 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares of $100 stock is a $100,000 trade. I can do 2, 3, or 4 of them at the same time. A lot of times I'm only getting 60 cents, 70 cents, 50 cents, maybe $1 or $1.20. But look at the money that is. A 50-cent move gives me $500. You can have a 50-cent move in a stock like Tesla in 7 seconds. Bzz. And I'm sure you can just look at the charts, at the up and downs, and you can time them. They're all there at the bottom. You might have a $500 trade in 30 seconds. You might have a $1,000 trade in 2 minutes. You might have an $800 trade in 17 seconds, a shoot straight up, and you just get out. At the end of your session, you'll add up your 10, 15, 20, 30, or 40 trades that were all winners, and you might have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 10 that were losers. At the end of the day, did you walk away with a good green stack of money? For me, a good day is 5 to 15,000. I'm trading with about $600,000 of trading buying power. When I used to trade with $1 million in buying power, I was having $50,000 days. I was having $90,000 days. But I pull back my buying power a lot for the season. We are in a bear trickle down. So I'm happy just to make 3, 4, 5 grand a day. And once in a while, I have some $10,000 days for now. When we somehow bottom out and get back into that bull market type of thing, that's when I'll add more money to my account and trade with a bigger base. Because those who know me know I take my profit out every day or 2, 3 times a week. I'm always wiring out money to a 5% interest savings account. I never, ever trade with my profit. That's why I have money. All the novice traders, they let their money sit in their account and they keep trading and trading with it. Then they get caught in a down cycle and they never even got to take a paycheck. It's ludicrous. So money management is as important as trading. I always want to be able to get paid every week. You know, I take a nice big check. It could be $6,000 to $15,000 every week. I don't know where the money goes. I put it in the bank. I live on a small amount of money. I don't live in a mansion. I got the things I want. I have very little debt. And I have the skill to trade stocks and do this for the rest of my life. If I stopped today and I wanted to pick up in 6 months from now, give me an account, give me a good platform, give me some capital. I like to trade with about $500,000 average and back up, and I should be able to make as much as a doctor and a lawyer combined, working out of my house or out of my office with no employees and no overhead and no insurance. And it's probably the greatest, most lucrative thing anyone can do. But that's the kicker. Anyone can do after they've learned how. And 90% of traders fail because they start trading before they learn how. And you can't learn this in a week or a month. This is years. This is like playing a musical instrument. It took me 20 years to be a good guitar player. So here's my long rant for today. Today's Tuesday morning. I give you a little view of my backyard. I got my cat running around. My pool's turning green. I'm getting ready to drain it. And we'll see you tomorrow.